In the 90s, Des Moines was looking for a change to help liven up the city. In 1993, Des Moines experienced a major flood. While it was devastating, this flood provided the opportunity Des Moines was looking for to rebuild the city back stronger and with purpose. One of the areas impacted by the flood was Grays Lake, a 167-acre site with a 95-acre pond just southwest of downtown. Prior to the flood, a hotel occupied the southwest corner of the site, but it was abandoned and demolished after the floodwaters inundated the building. Looking for a change, the city hired RDG Planning and Design to rebuild the Grays Lake area. Instead of urbanizing the area, RDG saw the potential of designing Grays Lake for the people and making it a simple but attractive amenity focused on a trail and landscape around a pond. Today, Grays Lake has become the flagship park of Des Moines, attracting over 1.5 million visitors every year. So when you're planning your trip to Des Moines, be sure to add Grays Lake to your list and come see how simple landscape architecture can change a whole city.